Maintaining a healthy diet while traveling is a topic that resonates with many of us, especially in a world where convenience often trumps nutrition. When we embark on our adventures, whether for business or leisure, the excitement of exploring new cuisines can sometimes overshadow our commitment to healthy eating. However, it's essential to recognize that a balanced diet plays a crucial role in keeping our energy levels high, enhancing our mood, and ensuring we can fully enjoy our travels. Traveling can present unique challenges that make it difficult to stick to dietary goals. From long layovers at airports filled with tempting fast food options to the allure of local delicacies that may not align with our nutritional needs, the struggle is real. Additionally, the unpredictability of travel schedules can lead to skipped meals or reliance on unhealthy snacks, which can derail even the best intentions. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that healthy eating is impossible on the road, but that's where proper planning comes into play. This guide aims to provide practical tips and strategies for meal planning and making nutritious choices while traveling. We'll explore how to prepare healthy snacks in advance, identify nutritious options at restaurants, and even navigate grocery stores in unfamiliar places. By equipping yourself with the right knowledge and tools, you can maintain your dietary goals without sacrificing the joy of discovering new flavors and experiences. So, whether you're a frequent flyer or planning a road trip, join us as we delve into the world of healthy eating on the go. With a little foresight and creativity, you can enjoy your travels while still prioritizing your health and well-being. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how to make nutritious choices that will keep you feeling your best, no matter where your adventures take you. Meal planning before you go. Effective meal planning before you embark on your travels can make a significant difference in maintaining a healthy diet on the road. The key is to create a meal plan that includes a variety of healthy snacks and meals that will keep you energized and satisfied throughout your journey. Start by outlining your travel itinerary and identifying the days you'll be away. This will help you determine how many meals and snacks you need to prepare in advance. When crafting your meal plan, focus on incorporating whole foods that are rich in nutrients. Think about easy-to-pack options like whole grain wraps filled with lean proteins and plenty of vegetables, or salads that can be stored in jars for freshness. Additionally, consider preparing some homemade snacks, such as energy balls made from oats, nut butter, and seeds, which are not only delicious but also provide sustained energy. Researching local grocery stores or markets at your destination is another essential strategy. Knowing where to find fresh produce, whole grains, and other healthy options can help you make better choices while traveling. Many cities have farmers markets or health food stores that offer a variety of nutritious foods. By familiarizing yourself with these locations, you can stock up on fresh ingredients and create meals that align with your dietary goals. Packing portable, nutritious foods is also crucial for staying on track. Items like nuts, protein bars, and dried fruits are excellent choices because they are easy to carry and provide a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. These snacks can help curb hunger between meals and prevent you from reaching for unhealthy options when you're on the go. In summary, effective meal planning before you travel involves creating a balanced meal plan, researching local grocery options, and packing nutritious snacks. By taking these steps, you can enjoy your travels while ensuring that you maintain a healthy diet, keeping your energy levels high and your cravings in check. Choosing nutritious options on the go. Selecting healthy food options while traveling can be a challenge, but with a little mindfulness, it's entirely achievable. One of the best strategies is to look for meals that include lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables. When dining out, consider options like grilled chicken or fish, quinoa or brown rice, and a side of steamed or roasted vegetables. These components not only provide essential nutrients but also help keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to resist the temptation of less healthy choices. When you're on the go, it's also important to avoid processed foods and sugary snacks whenever possible. Fast food and convenience store offerings often contain high levels of sodium, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, which can leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. Instead, Seek out fresh options like salads, wraps, or grain bowls that prioritize whole ingredients. Many airports and train stations now feature healthier dining options, so take a moment to explore before settling on a quick fix. Another crucial aspect of making nutritious choices while traveling is your beverage selection. Opting for water or unsweetened beverages instead of sugary drinks can significantly impact your overall health. Sugary sodas and energy drinks can lead to energy crashes and contribute to unwanted weight gain. Instead, hydrate with water, herbal teas, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon or lime for flavor. Not only will this keep you refreshed, but it will also help you maintain your energy levels throughout your travels. In summary, choosing nutritious options on the go involves being intentional about your food selections. Focus on meals that include lean proteins, whole grains, and vegetables, while steering clear of processed foods and sugary snacks. Additionally, prioritize hydration with water or unsweetened beverages. By adopting these strategies, you can enjoy your travels without compromising your health, ensuring that you feel your best as you explore new destinations. Staying on track with dietary goals. Maintaining your dietary goals while traveling can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies in place, it's entirely possible to stay on track. One of the first steps is to set realistic expectations for your diet while away from home. Understand that travel often comes with unique challenges, and it's okay to indulge occasionally. Instead of aiming for perfection, focus on making healthier choices most of the time. This mindset allows you to enjoy local cuisines and treats without feeling guilty, which can enhance your overall travel experience. Incorporating physical activity into your travel itinerary is another effective way to support your dietary goals. Whether you're exploring a new city on foot, taking a hike in nature, or even participating in a local fitness class, staying active can help offset any dietary indulgences. Consider scheduling time for exercise each day, even if it's just a brisk walk or a short workout in your hotel room. This not only helps burn calories but also boosts your mood and energy levels, making your travels more enjoyable. Keeping a food diary or using apps to track your meals and snacks can also be beneficial. By logging what you eat, you become more aware of your choices and can identify patterns that may lead to unhealthy eating. Many apps allow you to track not just calories but also nutrients, helping you ensure you're getting a balanced intake. This practice can be particularly useful when dining out, as it encourages you to make mindful decisions about portion sizes and food quality. In summary, staying on track with your dietary goals during travel involves setting realistic expectations, incorporating physical activity, and tracking your food intake. By adopting these tips, you can navigate the challenges of travel while still prioritizing your health. Remember, the goal is to enjoy your journey while making choices that support your well-being, allowing you to return home feeling great and energized. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the essential strategies for maintaining a healthy diet while traveling. We began by emphasizing the importance of meal planning and making nutritious choices, which can significantly enhance your travel experience. By preparing in advance and being mindful of what you eat, you can ensure that you stay energized and satisfied throughout your journey. We discussed the importance of creating a meal plan that includes healthy snacks and meals, as well as researching local grocery stores or markets at your destination. This preparation allows you to have access to fresh, nutritious foods, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals. Additionally, we highlighted the need to pack portable, nutritious snacks like nuts and protein bars, which can help curb hunger and prevent unhealthy choices when you're on the go. As we moved through the video, we also covered how to select healthy food options while traveling. We encouraged you to look for meals that include lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables, while avoiding processed foods and sugary snacks. Choosing water or unsweetened beverages instead of sugary drinks can further support your health during your travels. Finally, we provided tips for staying on track with your dietary goals, such as setting realistic expectations, incorporating physical activity into your travel plans, and keeping a food diary or using apps to track your meals. These strategies can empower you to make healthier choices and enjoy your travels without compromising your well-being. As you prepare for your next trip, we encourage you to implement these strategies and prioritize your health. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in ensuring you have a fulfilling and nutritious travel experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these health tips. Together, we can make healthy eating while traveling an achievable goal for everyone. Safe travels and happy eating!